ma'am. Good morning, Emrit ma'am. Good morning, 6th standard.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So 28 students are there. I think the strength is less because power cut no today. That's what may be the reason. Strength is very less today. Why so? 6th standard, lot of children used to be, no? Never skip the max class, right? Who is typing 97896? What is that? Your phone number? Huh? What is that? Okay. Now we are in the chapter playing with numbers only. For 8th also we have playing with numbers. For us also. For us it is chapter 3. So we are in the chapter 3. Exercise 3.1 we are in. I gave you examples and explanation about what ma work. What work? Oh, about corrections we are asking. I will start today. Yesterday full we had that work, school work, that is over. Now today we'll start the correction. When I will complete, I will tell you. Within 1 or 2 days. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we don't have period. Thursday, I will tell you. All your marks, Thursday, I will tell you. Okay? Because I need time to do now. Today only going to start. Yesterday full, I had some other work. So 3.1, I gave you explanation about the factors and multiples. Okay? Multiples means to say tables and to get the product as the answer, and those are known as the multiples. Factors means in which table it comes. For example, 4 3s are 12. Means these 4 and 3 are known as the factors of 12. Where 12 is called as a multiple. The product is known as a multiple. These and all I already explained, and we completed exercise 3.1. Question number 1. I did 64, 48 and 24. I remember. Because we did yesterday only. So I remember that. I think we are in this question D40. As I already told, 4 sums I will do, 4 you will do. A, B, C, D. I am doing. E, F, G, H you have to do as a homework sum. Now 40. Listing out the factors as we already discussed yesterday. 3 sums we completed also. I told to start from 1. Then to keep on checking. Okay, 40 divides 1, 40. 40 divides 2, 22 za. 40 divides 3, not possible. Totally, it must be divisible. So next is 3 won't come, 4 only. 10 4s are 40. 40 divides 5, yes. 8 5s are 40. 40 divides 6 is not possible. 40 divides 7 is not possible. 8. So 6 not possible, 7 not possible, 8. When we see like this number is coming here, then the reverse process will start. Okay? While keeping on writing, when you see that the numbers are repeated. For example, 40 divides 5 is 8. 40 divides 8. 6 table, 7 table, it won't come. 8 table means the answer is this number. Interchanging this both. Then what will come? 9 will not come. Then 10. Now 8 and 5 interchanged. Now interchange this. 10 right here, 4 right outside. Easy process. Then here no play. So I am writing here. Continuing. 40 divides 10 and 4. Then 20 and 2. The same thing only. 20 here, 2 outside. Now 40 inside, 1 outside. Like this way to change and write. When we start like this, when 40 divides by 8, 40 divides 8 will come here. Means after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 will not come. 8 will come. That time automatically this 40 divides 8, 8 is able to say. So 8 5s are. So automatically these numbers. After that all changing. 10 here, 4 here. 20 here, 2 there. 40 here, 1 there. That is the shortcut method. However you understand, that's okay. That's the shortcut method. Now I have listed out the factors. As I already mentioned, these middle numbers including 1 are known as the factors of the number 40. So the factors of 40 are factors of number 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. Up to the last, this one to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. These 8 numbers are the factors of number 40. One number also you shouldn't miss. If I am giving 2 marks for this question, if I ask, totally I want all the factors. If you write 1 or 2 and missing the other factors, I won't give you marks. So when I want factors or multiples, fully, totally all the factors. Finding all the factors of number 40. Everything should be there. Starting from 1, we have to keep on checking. While writing itself, we will understand. When this number will come here, this number will go there. Like that, changing. Easily we can reach up to this 40 divides 41. Always the same number to divide and we'll get the answer as 1. That step we need to stop. All the questions you would have seen yesterday also. Yesterday we did 64, 48, 24. Today we did 40. All these 4 I did by the same process, like finding out by dividing, starting from letter 1. From the digit 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. So this way. Why do you want 3.1 content now? Why do you want so? What you are going to do? Cycle test portion is chapter 2. Chapter 2 is there already. I have sent in your mobile. Whole numbers chapter 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. These all the exercises are there for the second cycle test, which is going to come. Only second chapter. Then why I must send chapter 3 now? After completing full chapter, I will be sending 1000 times. We already told this also. Chapter 2 is not fraction. That is for 7th standard. By mistake, they have printed and now it is printed correctly. Go and check in the classroom. By mistake, yesterday they have printed like that. I informed ma'am about that. Now it's correct. Jivisha, now go and check in the classroom. It is correct. Second chapter, whole numbers for us. Not for this one. For 7th standard only they have like that. You don't worry. For you, correct chapter, what it is, it will come. In the timetable, it has come already. First, they have given by mistake. They have printed like that. I informed. Now it's correct. Nothing to worry. Whole numbers chapter 2. See our textbook, what we have. Okay, that's what we have. Second chapter. This chapter is for 3rd cycle test only. So now only started. Yesterday only I have started. No, why I will be sending material now? After completion only will send. Not now. Now what is needed? You have that. You practice full second chapter 5 exercises are there. You practice and get marks and show me. So this is about factors. Now question number 2 says. Now question number 1 over ma. We completed 4 sums. Now question number 2. Multiples. Very easy. This chapter also very easy. As soon as we complete, I will send. Before itself, I won't send, because those children who are writing also will not write. Those who are writing properly, following properly, they will think that mobile we have, no, they won't write. Some children, what they will do, they will open that material and will be typing the answer in the chat column. 225, that 25, that this will be continuously typing something. Since you have the material, you will think that you know the answer. Everything you will see there and will type. I don't want that. For that reason only, first I won't send. First I'll explain, you listen, understand, then only we'll get. Question number 2. List the 5 multiples, first 5 multiples of the following numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. As usual, 4 sums I'll do, 4 sums you'll do. First 5 multiples. Multiples means what? Tables. 1 is A, 2 is A, 3 is A. First 5 multiples means this. First 6 means up to 6 8 that should write. 1 8 8, 2 8 16, 3 8 24, 4 8 4 32, 5 is 40. So these are the first 5 multiples of number 8. That's all. Multiples are very, very easy. Factors means to divide and to write. Dividing by 1, 2, 3, 4, like that only should write. If I ask factors and if you write like this, I won't give you any marks, because these are known as multiples. Multiple means saying the tables and writing in the product form, multiplication form. Factors means to divide. Divide by 1, 2, 3, then getting the numbers. That numbers are only factors. Divisibility factors we say. That's what we use that symbol. Multiples means we'll use like this. 8 means 8 table. 16 means 16 table. Question B. All easy only, same process. 1 16s are, 2 16s are. Those who are writing in the math class, it is good. Have a nice practice of writing. How we used to do in the class, the same way. First 5 only. So I wrote only up to 5 16s are. 1 16s are 16. 2 16s are 32. 3 16s are 60s are 18. 1 plus 4 48. 6 4s are 24. Carried over 2. 4 1s are plus 64. 16 6 5s are 30. 3 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8 8. So these numbers 16, 32, 48, 64, 80. These are the first 5 multiples of number 16. You have to write one line below that. What to write? The first 5 multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Here to write the first 5 multiples are 16, 32, 48, 64 and 80. In examination. Now it is enough to understand these are the 5 multiples. Easy. This exercise only factors and multiples only. Now, this alone I will erase to save my time. C. As I planned already, we are doing 4 sums. This is 16 table alone. Will erase. Answers will erase. Answer. Board, so I am doing like this. 7 and 6. C is the 7, this one 6. 7 table. First 5 multiples of 7. First 5 multiples of 6. Easy, easy. Everyone must know the tables to do this chapter. 2 sons are 14, 3 sons are 21, 4 sons are 28, 5 sons are 35. 6, 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are, 5 6 are 30. That's all. So these are the multiples. 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35 are the first 5 multiples of number 7. 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 are the first 5 multiples of number 6. So this topic is about multiples. Yesterday we have seen 4 factors, 3 factors we have seen yesterday, 1 I completed today. Then we have seen all the 4 sums A, B, C, D, multiples. Multiples means just to say tables and to write. Understood. This is all easy. Let us pass on to the next topic, even and odd numbers. Any number, even and odd numbers, we have learned in lower classes also, the same thing. Any number which is ending, whichever number, whole numbers, any whole number, which is exactly divisible by 2 are all coming under even category. Exactly, it will be divisible by 2. All even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, all the numbers. By leaving one number, that is an odd number in the middle. So whichever number are exactly divisible by 2 means which comes in 2 table, 1 2s are 2 2s are 3 2s are, including 0 only. Even 0 is considered as an even number only. Okay. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, and so on. It keeps on going. So which are not divisible by 2. These are divisible by 2 exactly. These are not divisible by 2. They are odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. The list keeps on going. So which are exactly divisible by 2 are even numbers, and which are not divisible by 2, they come under the category odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. These and all you have learnt in lower classes itself, same thing. Any number, by looking at the ending digit, we can see. For example, I am asking 1353 to you. Is this an even or odd number? Type. Type for this one whether it is an even or odd number. Yes. It's an odd number. Why? The ending digit alone to see. Ending digit 3 is an odd number. That number is an odd number. What is this one? 35920 to see the ending digit. Ending digit 0 is even. So it is an even number. Like this, we can decide for any number, whichever number is lengthy may be, even for large numbers, odd and even numbers, easily we can decide. So exactly whether it is divisible by 2 or not, those. The sum of an even number is always an even number, an odd number is also an even number. For example, these are the properties. Whenever, for example, odd number, 1 plus 3. Let us take 2 even numbers, 2 plus 6. Whenever we add any 2 evens, any 2 even number, we'll get an even only. 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, because 2, 2, 2 jumping. So always an even number only we'll get. And odd numbers when I add also, we'll get even only. 1 plus 3, because the difference is 2, 2, no. That is the reason. So like that also we'll be getting. The sum of odd. Okay, the sum of any 2 odd numbers, 9, for example, 9, 3, 9 plus 3, 12, 13, 3, 13 plus 3, 16. So whichever it is, that's also an even number only. So sum of odd, 2 odd numbers is even, sum of 2 even, always even. Both the cases, it is even. Product also the same thing. Even numbers is always an even. For odd numbers, it is always odd. Product. For example, 1 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number. 1 3s are 3. Okay. 7 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number. 7 3s are 21. 21 also odd number. So product means odd and odd numbers will get. Addition only will give even. Product same thing. These and all must know for knowledge purpose. Okay. About prime and composite number. About even and odd, we told many. Now look at page number 45. Everyone open and look at the page number 45. Let us observe the following table. This table, you have to look at the table for that in your textbook. Number 1. 1 is having the factors 1. Means 1 will come in only in one table. So naturally, the factors are 1. We have to say, see in which table it comes. For example, number 2. Number 2 will come in one table and its own table. Own table means 2 tables. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So there are 2 factors. Now look at number 3. Number 3 will come in one table and 3 table only. No other table. So 2 factors. Number 4. It comes in one table, 2 table. 2 twos are 4. And 4 table. 4 ones are 4. So there are 3 factors. One table it comes, 2 table it comes, 4 table it comes. So 3 factors. Similarly, number 5, 1 and 5. Number 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, 6 table. That is for number 6. Number 7, 1 and 7. Number 8, it is having 4 factors. Means the table and all the number comes. So like this, they have given up to 12. In this, we should see which number have only 2 factors. They are only prime numbers. Means prime numbers are those numbers which will come in its own table and one table only. Those numbers are known as prime. Very, very important, because we have prime factorization and all using prime numbers. So which are prime numbers? Number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Up to 100 it goes. I will show you another table also. So these are prime numbers. Prime numbers which will not be coming in any other table. One table always come. These all the numbers, everybody is invited for one table. One table anybody can come and sit. 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6. Anybody, 1000 ones are 1000. So 1, whatever number we multiply, it's going to get the same thing. So 1, it doesn't matter. Or everybody will come in one table. Leaving that, these numbers will come in its own table only. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are. Other than that, it won't come. So that is the meaning. If we see number 12, for example, these 12, it will come in one table. It will come in 2 tables. 6 2s are 12. So 2 table and 4 table. 3 4s are 12. And 3 table. 4 3s are 12. 6 table. 2 6 are 12. And 12 table. So many factors are there. Like these type of numbers are not prime numbers. Are not prime means what is the meaning? They are composite. Composite numbers. I don't know whether you had this in 5th standard or not, because recently I have not taken 5th standard maths. So I don't know. But these are the things. Prime numbers means which will come in own table and one table. Means only 2 factors. 2 means 1 and 2. Factors of 2. Factors of 3, 1 and 3. Factors of 5, 1 and 5. Factors of 7, 1 and 7. Factors of 11, 1 and 11. Only 2 factors. That's what I told to look at the textbook one. So other than that, which are not prime, everything composite, which will have lot of factors as friends. So lot of factors will be, they are composite numbers. Prime and composite, very important. Okay. Then that page full is about that explanation only. Page number 45 is full about that only. Page number 46, yes, that I will be giving you like an activity. Okay. After this cycle test, after that, one Saturday, Sunday, I will give you. Okay. The activity, what you have to do. Page number 46 open. Now itself I will say that When to do, I will send in the Google form that time only, not now. Now only explanation. Page number 46, everyone should look at the textbook. This table. Very, very important one. This is called as a sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay. So finding the prime numbers between 1 to 100. There was a mathematician whose name was Eratosthenes. So he found out this method. Annie Joyce, you have the digital textbook in the classroom, PDF, that you can open and you can see later. Okay, page number 46. For everybody, ma'am has posted. Those who don't have, she has posted. You have in your classroom, Macmillan Max textbook, page number 46, go through that. So this is called a sieve of Eratosthenes. What do you mean by that? It means 1 to 100, this tabular column they have listed. In this, they have rounded numbers like this. Okay. For example, like this. I'll say just wait. Just one line will write at least. Like this, they have given up to, it keeps on going. I cannot write 1 to 100, it's given in the textbook. 1 to 100, a big thing, a list of numbers are given. What is that? In that, what to do? First, 1 to strike it off. Okay. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Okay. That's what the 1 to strike it off. Then what to do? 2 is a prime number. To round 2. To round 2. And all the multiples of 2, no, that to strike. Now, 2 to round, 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 4 to strike. 3 2s are 6, 6 to strike. 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 10 to strike. 12, all the multiples of the number to strike off. Why? Because they are all composite numbers. Understood? Next, 3 is a prime number, round it. Multiples of 3, 2 3s are 6, cross. 3 3s are 9, cross. Already if in 2 table, if you have crossed, it's okay. Again, no need to cross. 1 cross will do. So 3, multiples of 3, 3 3s are 9, cross. Like this. 4 3s are 12, somewhere here, cross. So those numbers crossed ones are coming in some other number table, which means it is coming in 2 table, it's coming in 3 table, which means it is a composite number. So rounded numbers are prime numbers, which will not come in any table. These numbers which will come in some other numbers table, they are composite. These rounded ones are prime. So this table, this one, I will give it to you as a max activity. You have to take one A4 sheet, not now. Not now, I will send in the Google form. Okay, with the add file option. That day, which day I am giving, that day you do. Now no need. Now only we have started this chapter and this chapter is not for this cycle test. So don't worry. So 1 to 100 I will give. What you have to do? Using your A4 sheet you have to take. You can use your thing, what to say, color pencil to round off this prime numbers using sketch or color pencil. You round off the prime, strike off the numbers which are composite. To see this activity, to learn it and to do. To keep your textbook, to do the same thing 1 to 100 column in a A4 sheet and to find out prime and composite numbers. And to list the prime numbers. Here one box is there. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. They have listed. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. You have to list this table to write which are the prime numbers to write. It carries 10 marks. Very important activity. It will be useful for us when we do this chapter is full about prime numbers only. So we want to know prime numbers. For that we need to do that. So I will be making ready the Google Forms. Okay, we'll give on Saturdays, Sundays, not now. Saturday, Sunday, I will give that. That time you should do this. Understood what I'm telling? I will give like that only. So see and do the activity from page number 46 from your textbook. Do on a A4 sheet. Like this I will give. Clear? Who is telling thank you, thank you? What thank you? I know 11. Okay. Already children are saying. Okay.